How to pipette and dispense with Pette Pro. Before you start pipetting, click on the upper part of the screen to enter the parameter adjustment interface. Set the volume and speed parameters according to your experimental needs. Slide the controller or click on the corresponding digit to modify the volume value precisely. After completing the settings, click Save at the top or press the trigger button to save and return to the previous level interface. At the same time, the suction and discharge speeds can be flexibly adjusted by sliding the controller. Turn on the automatic liquid blowing setting. The device will automatically blow liquid after completing a suction and discharge. In pipetting or dispensing mode, volume parameters can also be edited quickly by long pressing the center of the screen. Enter pipetting operation and install the pipette tip. Click the trigger button. Execute liquid suction. Click the trigger button again. Execute liquid discharge. Press and hold to mix as necessary until completely mixed. End of mixing. Double-click the button. Execute liquid blowing. Before starting the dispensing process, we also need to adjust the parameters related to dispensing and mixing. First, set the total volume to be dispensed. Then determine the number of dispensations. Setting is complete. Enter the dispensing operation. The Pette Pro applies the reverse pipetting principle for more accurate dispensing each time. After the trigger is pressed and the liquid is aspirated, the first step is to pre-dispense the liquid. Dispensing is then initiated by clicking the trigger button once at a time until the process is complete. Finally, press the trigger again to empty the remaining liquid. If suction occurs during the dispensing process or the parameter setting is incorrect, tap the back suction button to discharge the liquid in one click.
VECVERSE.